What is the number one question on everyone's mind right now? It is, what is the best way to make money online in 2019? And the problem is everyone gets this wrong, right? People have shiny object syndrome. They jump from one thing to the next and they never actually stick with something long enough to make money with it. But luckily for you, I'm going to be breaking down in just 10 seconds inside of my computer a step-by-step tutorial of the best way to make money on the internet in 2019. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you. Let's get into an actual step-by-step. Right here is a Shopify store, right? This is one of the best type of Shopify strategies that I've taught literally thousands and thousands of my students, and they've been incredibly successful with. All these is basic gadgets, right? Bluetooth shower speaker. They're selling this for $26, right? How much do you think they buy it for? So I'm gonna show you literally the best place to buy these things. I already searched Bluetooth shower speaker right here. If we look at this, they're literally selling this exact same Bluetooth speaker for $1, right? We see another one right here for $1.90, and you can order one unit at a time. So literally all these people are doing is they're selling it for $26 and they're buying it right here on this website for $1. And that might sound too good to be true, but every business you've ever shopped at does this. Walmart does this, Safeway does this, all of the department stores do this. They literally buy it from a wholesaler and they connect it to a retail customer. They sell it for more, they buy it for less. It's how all department stores and Walmarts and all the stores like that actually exist. And so the question you should be asking me is, Kevin, that makes a lot of sense, right? But what if that store is getting zero traffic, right? It doesn't mean that they're making any money if nobody's actually going to the store and buying it for $26, on their customers, and then, only after a customer buys it for $26, we're buying it for $1. Well, what we can do is we can grab this URL and we can come plug it into a website called SimilarWeb. What SimilarWeb is going to show us is literally the number of visitors that this website has gotten over the last few months, right? In December, they got 90,000, 80,000, right? 81,500 people visited that site. Let's assume very conservatively that only 1% of those people actually bought, and it's probably much higher, right? But that's still, over 800 people. And so if you're buying something for $1, selling it for $26, right? You're making $20 profit. And if you multiply that by over 800 people, right? Let's do some quick math here. What is 800 times 20? Right? So that would be over $16,000 profit, and that's off just one product from 1 month. Right? And so what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna be hosting a completely free training where we're gonna show you not only how to find viral products, but we're gonna show you how thousands and thousands of my students have actually done this. A lot of people are gonna just be watching this video and think, oh, well, it's another scam. If it was another scam, how would I have over 400,000 subscribers on YouTube teaching this stuff? How would I have the largest Facebook group in the world teaching this stuff? You can do one of two things. You can either ignore this video, go about your day, right, and nothing is going to change for you in your life, or you can take a leap of faith like thousands of my students have done before you, and you can watch our completely free video, right? Risk-free. If you don't like it, you just forget about it, and that's it. Or it completely changes everything for you, and you can start making money online and actually living a financially free and time-free life that you want. So you can spend more time with your friends and your family and traveling the world and doing the important things in life. So what I want you to do right now is click the button somewhere on your screen and join us for a completely free training where we're gonna be showing you how to find viral products just like these and get a store set up within a day, right? And you can literally start making money as soon as today if you know how to do it. But you have to take the first step, right? Don't be like 99% of people who watch videos just like this and never take any action. Be the 1%, join the training right now, sign up. Again, it's completely free, and I'll see you inside of the training, and I hope that you become my next biggest student success story. So see you inside.